For decades, Google built a $1 trillion empire on one simple idea: search. Billions of users, trillions of clicks, unlimited advertising power. But today, Google is quietly destroying the very product that made it dominant. Not because it failed, but because it succeeded. And now, it must evolve or be replaced. Search used to guide you to the web. You asked a question. Google showed links. You explored. But that system is disappearing. Today, Google increasingly gives direct answers. AI summaries, instant responses. No need to leave the page. The goal is no longer to help you find information. The goal is to become the information. And that changes everything. This creates a dangerous contradiction. Google's empire was built on sending users to websites. Clicks generated advertising revenue. Traffic sustained the open web. But AI answers reduce those clicks. Fewer visits, less traffic, a shrinking ecosystem. So why would a company sabotage its own foundation? Because in technology, the greatest threat is not competition. It is becoming obsolete. A new battle is emerging. Artificial intelligence is changing how humans interact with knowledge. Users no longer want lists of links. They want instant solutions, smart assistants, automated decisions, direct outcomes. If Google remained only a search engine, someone else would replace it. So instead of defending the past, Google is racing to control the future, even if it means destroying its most profitable system. But this transformation has consequences. Websites depend on search traffic to survive. Publishers, creators, businesses. If users stop clicking, entire digital economies weaken. The open internet becomes smaller, more centralized, more controlled. Power concentrates in fewer hands. We are witnessing the end of traditional search. The future is not browsing. It is action. Systems that don't just show information, but think, decide, and execute. In this world, Google is no longer a gateway to the web. It becomes the operating system of knowledge itself. This is not corporate failure. It is strategic transformation. The most powerful companies don't defend their dominance. They redefine it. Google is not losing control of search. It is redefining what control means. Obsidian Moves, strategic intelligence.